Hey guys, Hiking Bo here, and today we are doing a hike going through Windsor Nature Park and visiting Lower and Upper Peirce Reservoir parks. So let's hiking go. So we are starting from Flame Tree Park bus stop and going to Windsor Nature Park, which is just a short walk away. So the highlight of this hike is the Upper and Lower Peirce Reservoir parks, and we actually did this first stretch in one of my earlier videos where I visited Upper Peirce Reservoir Park. So we are back at Windsor Nature Park and going to Upper Peirce Reservoir Park again, but this time we are going to Lower Peirce Reservoir Park as well. So a nice hike that is a bit more challenging than the recent ones that I've done, since there is a mix of terrain and elevation as well. So as you can see here, we have boardwalks, and after which there is a nature trail before we move on to pavements for the rest of the hike. So Upper and Lower Peirce Reservoir parks, as the names suggest, are parks that are situated at Lower and Upper Peirce Reservoirs. So Lower Peirce Reservoir is the second oldest reservoir here in Singapore and constructed in 1912, while Upper Peirce Reservoir was constructed in 1975. So as you can see here, we are back at the public access trail from Macritchie Reservoir to Upper Peirce Reservoir Park, and from here we are just moving alongside the golf course. So this is my favorite part of this hike, since you get a nice view of Upper Peirce Reservoir, and there wasn't a lot of people when I was there on a weekday. So we have arrived at Upper Peirce Reservoir Park with a nice view of the surroundings, as you can see here. So after a quick toilet break, we are just heading towards Old Upper Thompson Road. So from here, and after being greeted by a couple of monkeys, we are just moving towards Lower Peirce Reservoir Park. So we have arrived at Lower Peirce Reservoir Park, and initially the plan was to move along the boardwalk to the lookout point and the source of the Kallang River, but because part of the boardwalk is closed due to maintenance, we have to retrace our steps and move back along Old Upper Thompson Road, as you will see later on. So yeah, as you can see here, the trail ahead is closed. So please take note if you are looking to do this route in the near future. So after a slight detour at Old Upper Thompson Road, we are back at Lower Peirce Reservoir Park with a nice view of Lower Peirce Reservoir, and Now we are just going towards the source of the Kallang River. And here it is, the source of the Kallang River. And from here, we are just turning back and going through Lower Peirce Reservoir Park again to our final destination, which is Sembawang Hills Food Center. So a really nice hike with a mix of terrain and elevation, and you get to enjoy 2 reservoirs along the way as well. So that's it for this hike, and if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe, and yeah, have a nice day.